Good morning, children. Standard 5, Term 2, Unit 1 Supplementary Reader, The Two Pigeons. In this lesson, the story about the two pigeons and the bird catcher. Let's see what is about the story. Two pigeons. It was a story about the pigeons and the hunter. Once there lived two white pigeons. They were friends. They spent their days looking for food. During afternoons, they would rest on their favorite tree in the forest. Then they would sing and dance. Soon it would be night. They would lock their wings and sleep. Yes, in that forest there were two pigeons. It was a white color. They were friends. They were spent days full days in for searching for food, and during the afternoon they went to the favorite tree in the forest and take rest in the forest, and they sang and dance on the tree. And after it was night, lock their wings and sleep. One day it was raining heavily in the forest. In the forest the rain was heavily. The animals ran to their home for the rain, so the animals there ran to their home very fastly. So did one of the hen pigeons. She ruffled her feathers and shook her body to remove the water. She adjusted her wings and perched on the tree and started waiting for the cock pigeon. The rain continued to pour heavily and it was getting dark. She started to worry for her friend. He is never so late. I hope he is safe, she whispered to herself. So did one of the pigeons mean, so did the hen pigeon. That was a hen pigeon. Yes, one day it was heavily rain in the forest and animals ran to their home. The hen pigeon waiting for the cock pigeon. She also fully wet. So he ruffled the feathers. He shook their body to remove the water. So she adjusted the wings and perched on the tree. Perch means sitting on the tree for waiting for the cock pigeon. The rain was continually pour heavily. So it was getting dark early. So she started worried about her friend. He is never so late, but that day he won't come to the tree. Hen pigeon said himself, I hope he is safe. Whispered means say slowly. The rain is heavy. Let me wait in the street till it stops. Though the cock pigeon and perched on a tree. So the cock pigeon sit another one tree because it was rain heavily. He did not know there was a bird catcher nearby. The cock pigeon did not know the bird catcher nearby the tree. Which tree? The cock pigeon perched on a tree. The bird catcher silently reached near the pigeon and clamped. The bird catcher silently reached the pigeon and clamped. Clamped means he catched the cock pigeon. He had caught the pigeon. The pigeon tried to fly and flutter in vain. So it fluttered. The bird catcher silently reached the pigeon and clamped. He catched the cock pigeon. The pigeon was very tired to fly. So he fluttered and fainted. He tensed and fainted. The hunter put the pigeon in his cage. So the hunter put the pigeon into the cage and started to home. I should be home before the rain increases, he thought to himself. The bird catcher thought himself, if the rain increases, he would reach the home. It started rain heavily. Just then the hen pigeon saw a bird catcher coming near the tree. In the cage he had the cock pigeon. It was unconscious. Fear gripped the hen pigeon. Was it her friend? The bird catcher neared the tree. She had to hide, but she also wanted a closer look to see if it was her friend. She flew down to the lowest branch. Oh no, it is him. What shall I do now? I have to help my friend, worried the hen pigeon. The sky thundered and the bird catcher took cover under her tree. Looks like I have to wait till the rain stops, said the bird catcher. So the rain started heavily. So the bird catcher coming near to the tree where the hen pigeon was sitting. He had a cock pigeon in the cage, but it was unconscious. Okay, it was unconscious. Fear gripped the hen pigeon. Fear gripped the hen pigeon means he was very frightened about the hen pigeon. Frightened hen pigeon because the cock pigeon was catched by the bird catcher. So he had to hide, but she had to hide, but she also wanted a closer look to see if it was a friend. She wanted to know that was a cock pigeon. So he was she was hide and flew down to the lowest branch. Oh no, it was her friend, worried the hen pigeon. So the sky was thundered and bird catcher took cover under the tree and looks like I have to wait till the rain stops. And the bird catcher wanted to wait till the rain stops, said the bird catcher. But the hen pigeon don't know what she wanted to do. And the cock pigeon was catched by the bird catcher, but it was unconscious. The hen pigeon don't know it was alive or not. It was totally confused. So he tried to save the cock pigeon. I hope you all understood the first part of the two pigeons. Thanks for listening. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.